you don't have a lot of time to spend in the garden, one of the easiest ways to decorate your outdoors is by setting up some planters. These are heavy iron urns I have here, and they're empty as you can see. And I'm gonna fill these in no time and make them gorgeous. And I'm also gonna show you how to fill a window box planter. When choosing your plants, you want to make sure that you know whether your planters are in the shade or full sun, and choose your plants accordingly. You want to have height in your planters, so you want to choose some things that are tall. Flowers and plants like spikes, salvia, and even foxglove are great choices for planters. Even though flowers come with a little bit of soil or dirt in their pots, it's a good idea to have some potting mix as well. So you want to make sure that you break this up before you put it into your planter. You can make sure that your plants get all their water and they also drain well. I'm starting with my tallest plants first. So you'll see I'm just placing in this foxglove. We are layering our plants, and so the next thing to go in is our spike in the back. This is Vinca vine. It grows like crazy. So I just split it, being sure to get a little bit of the root system, and I'm gonna put that in as the final touches here on our planter. Now we're gonna take those same principles and apply them to our window box. This boring window box is gonna be made beautiful in just a couple of minutes. Once again, I dug up some of these from my garden, and they're gonna do great as long as you get some of the root. In the end, the principles are the same, whether it is a window box or a large iron planter. You wanna go for height in the back, add a pop of color, add some whimsy and romance with some vines that will trickle down like sweet potato, and in the end, you've got a beautiful planter.